gumamit ng rasuhan, etc. And I see the point of Senator Risa, but I'm also listening to Senator Marcoleta. It's kumbaga sa libro, iba yung love language, but I don't think there meant to be any offense. Having said that, we're only discussing whether we will take up the amendment or not. And we have exhausted already all the arguments. This is a simple motion, so I move that we divide the House. They retake my motion. Then we can go into the merits and they can try to convince us whether or not we agree. So the motion is to take up the amendment to our rules as proposed by Senator Marcoleta. The objection is that it is not in order because we did not follow our own rules.
Before that, yes, we recognize Senator Rolando.
Madam President, my question is, why is the majority in such a hurry to tackle this motion? This allowing a senator for justifiable reasons to attend and participate in the session through teleconference, whereas in Rule 14, Section 41, under B, it says convene and hold a session through teleconference, video conference, or other reliable forms of remote or electronic means using appropriate information and communications technology system due to force majeure, Madam President, or the occurrence of a national emergency. I guess, Madam President, this justifiable reason, what is that? Does that fall under force majeure, or does it fall under national emergency, Madam President? My question is, why are we in so hurry? Why are they, the majority, in a hurry to tackle this motion and divide the House, Madam President? We need answers in the minority. Or is it because, Madam Chair, they're in a hurry because of news reports that probably two of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend? Is that the reason why? Is that the reason why they have to have this inserted in Section 41C para makaboto po kung sino man yung makukulong dahil sa announcement ng ombudsman na may lalabas sa po ang warrant ng ilan sa mga kasama natin, Madam President. That is my question, Madam
Madam
President.
Chair, the gentleman is out of order because his question, saan mamadali, bakit, can be discussed in the actual motion. Can be discussed after the motion whether we should take it out. We take offense that bibigyan niya ng ganyang kulay. It's just like us saying, are you afraid if we have the hearing on the new report of flood control, yung mapapanggit na rin? You do not make that kind of statements here in the Senate because you assume good faith from everyone. That rule hindi na nila. May 11 pa ho yun. So Madam Chair, I move that we divide the House.
And the voting will be done by
Whether we should take it out. We take offense that bibigyan niya ng ganyang kulay. It's just like us saying, are you afraid if we have the hearing on the new report on flood control and mapapanggit ka rin? You do not make that kind of statements here in the Senate because you assume good faith from everyone. That rule hindi na nila. May 11 pa ho yun. So Madam Chair, I move that we divide the House.
and the voting will be done by
mali yung gagawin nilang pagboto eh. Mali batay sa mga rules, mali yung proseso. Wala pang ang debate sa substance.
Bakit po sa tingin nyo gagawin, gusto nilang mangyari ngayon yun?
Hindi nga tayo umabot sa debate sa substantive kasi hindi nila sinusunod yung sariling rules.
Teleconference, ginagawa na yan kung may pandemya. Wala namang pandemya ngayon.
Walang
Bakit
national
natin
emergency.
papaguhin?
Walang force majeure.
Sir, baka ituloy nila. Pwede po ba nila
Wala
ituloy?
silang quorum.
Walang quorum. Hindi matutuloy. Sir, po, tuloy nyo ngayon, Sir Wayne. Si JP. Sir, sorry, hindi pwede magbotohan. Wala silang quorum. Walang quorum. Bakit umabot sa ganito, sir?
Nagsimulan po tayo may quorum. It doesn't matter if they walk out. Yes, I think we still have the quorum. Madam President.
Iterated by the Senate President and as conveyed by the Minority Leader, former Senate President, the rule states that the motion to adjourn takes precedence. I'm not taking sides.
5 p.m. Monday.
And we will adjourn session
Until 5
until
p.m.
5 p.m. on Monday, June 1st, 2026.
Birthday of Senator Nasa. You have to
ano na to? Dito talaga yan. Ito maganda. Ito maganda.